In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save time while job hunting on Glassdoor. If you want to streamline your search and move from browsing to applying without wasting hours, this walkthrough will help you do exactly that. First, create your account on Glassdoor.com and sign up. Fill in your basic information and upload your resume so you're ready to apply when the right roles come up. Use a clean, professional resume file name and keep the format simple, like PDF or Word, so applicant tracking systems can read it easily. Next, set up job alerts. Head to Jobs and choose Create Job Alert. Enter the job title you're targeting, your preferred location, and your experience level. Turn on email or app notifications so new roles land in your inbox automatically. By the way, I've placed the Glassdoor website link and the official app download links right at the top of the description, so you can get started quickly on desktop or mobile. Now, refine your search with filters. Narrow by location, salary range, company size and job type. Full-time, part-time, contract, or remote. Filtering keeps your feed focused on roles that actually fit, which saves you from scrolling through hundreds of irrelevant listings. When a posting looks promising, click Save. Building a list of saved jobs lets you review and compare roles side by side, and then apply in batches instead of jumping back and forth between searches. It's a small habit that adds up to big time savings. Before applying, research companies efficiently. Use reviews, ratings, and salary insights to check culture, pay expectations, and growth opportunities. Focus your energy on organizations that match your priorities and skip the ones that don't. When you're ready, apply quickly using your saved jobs list. Keep your most recent resume on hand and a baseline cover letter you can tweak for each role. That prep work cuts down your application time to just a few minutes per listing. Track your applications so nothing slips through the cracks. A simple spreadsheet works great. Log the job title, company, date applied, and any follow-up deadline. Or use Glassdoor's Applied Jobs tab. This prevents duplicate applications and helps you stay organized. Finally, optimize your Glassdoor profile. Fill out your skills, experience, and a short summary. Some employers search directly on Glassdoor, so a complete, keyword-rich profile can bring opportunities to you. That's it. With alerts, filters, saved jobs, and a solid tracking system, you'll move faster and apply smarter. Check the links at the top of the description to get started, and thanks for watching.